English conversation practice, 100 common questions and answers for beginners everyday English. How long have you been here? I have been here for 3 weeks. Can I ask you a few personal questions? Certainly. Do you have a girlfriend? No, I'm single right now. Are you married? No, I'm single. Have you got any children? Not yet, but maybe someday. What is your hobby? I really enjoy photography. Anything else? No, that's all. How much is this? This is $10. How much are these? These are $5. How much money do you have? I only have $15. How much is it to go to Los Angeles? It's $200. How much do I owe you? 30 cents. Who is this? This is my Uncle Sam. Do you know Megan? Yes, she is my friend.